The importance of water. Life, life both animal and plant is impossible without water. Without water, man die of dehydration. About 20% of the human body is water. Of the total surface of the earth, 75% is water, and just below the surface of the land, in most areas, there is a saturated layer known as the water table. Animal and plant have a large percentage of water in their makeup, and some animals regulate their movement according to the water sources. If water is no water, if there is no water, there can be no life. The moon is sterile because there is no water. It is to be remembered that it was water that determined the location of human settlement, and without the Nile, the Egyptian civilization would not have developed. The Nile provided the Egyptian facility for irrigation and transport. As Herodotus cited, Egypt is the gift of the Nile. The urban man rarely thinks of the importance of water. When he needs water, all he has to do is to turn on the tap. The only time the urban folk become aware of the importance of water is when there is a drought and their water supply is regulated. If water rationing becomes too drastic, they may find themselves in a worse position than the rural man who may have a steady supply of water from this well. Imagine a day when the taps ran dry. Mr. Townsman, who have found life intolerable, he would not brush his teeth, have his shave, or could he have his bath in the morning. After lunch, he would have had a very difficult time trying to wash up. He might have used cloth to sweep his crockery. He would not brush his car at the end of the day. However, Mr. Townsend, who have realized the water is precious and he should not be a water waster. Scientists find water the most fascinating fluid in the world because of its personality and usefulness. Electricity is generated by the force of running water. Unlike other substances, water expands when freezing takes place. In ancient Rome, snow was used to pack prawn and meat. Ice is used for refrigeration. Water is converted into steam and used as power. However, man is dependent on water for his growth. Water can convert whole barren tracts of land into luxury rice and fertile regions through the vast of irrigation. In parts of Spain, diminishing quantities of rain have caused fertile land to dry up in the past year, creating barren desert. This in turn has caused many men and their families to move to new place. Some of us who take our daily supply of water for granted may not be able to fully appreciate the importance of water. Many have perished through the lack of water. Military know that the most effective way of solving any city of forestation is to cut its water supply.